Okay, here's the board. I've marked out all the tracks, and apart from that one and that one, which go down to those two pads there, all the others I've managed to do direct, so 2 link wires, not a problem. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill in the tracks and get it ready for etching. Okay, and I should be using the bigger marker, and just simply doing that. I won't be going right up to the edge with it, I'm just using it to fill in a large portion, so it's a lot quicker and easier. And then up to the line I shall use the smaller nibbed one that I was using to draw the lines. So as you can see, it don't take long. Okay, I'll do that, and then I'll bring you back when I've finished to show you the finished thing, and then I'll etch it. Right, there's the completed mask of the board. Now this copper area here will be being cut off, but what I'm going to do for the etching purposes is I'm going to leave that on and just mask it off with a big square of felt pen, and that way I'll be able to use this for something else. Excuse me. Fixing the board in the panel isn't going to be a problem, and it'll be bolted onto the front panel, but I'll do that afterwards. Right, so the next process now is let that really dry. May even get my hairdryer on it, I don't know yet. And dry it off, and then we'll etch it. And I'll show you cleaning the board off with methylated spirits and giving it a rub down with some emery cloth just to give it a bit of a shine, so it makes soldering that much easier. And then I'll show you it being assembled. Right, there we go. One jogging PCB almost complete. You see I've got the window open because I'm now going to be doing some etching, and I don't want the fumes getting into everything. I've also got a fan on, so you may or may not hear a humming noise in the background. Right, there's the board ready for etching. I mean, the etch I've got is quite old. I put some hot water in it to rejuvenate it, so I don't know how long this is going to take, but we'll put it in and we'll find out, won't we? And please make sure your hands are protected. I got my lovely pink ones on again. Right, like all the other videos on YouTube showing etching, all you need to do is agitate it, which is a simple rocking backwards and forwards. Don't do this now it's splashing up inside into your face. I'm not very well on camera there. Right there, that's better. Yeah, don't really shake it about. Well, it only needs a little agitation, rocking left to right like that. That's all it needs. Doesn't need anything more vigorous than that. And you don't have to do it all the time, just for a couple of minutes each time until all the copper has been etched away. Now I've no idea how long this is going to take. As I said, this etch is quite old. The reason I haven't got any more is because I couldn't afford any more. And so I'm going to have a go with this. If it works, it works. If it don't, it don't. There we go. Then I'll come up with another idea. I'll still use the same board, but I have to glue the switches to the board and then hardwire them down to the glued connectors. There's many ways out of a situation. There's no such thing as a problem. As I think I said before in another video way back with this series, famous saying, Houston, we have a problem. Well, after that, whenever the astronauts got into a situation where they needed help, it was always, Houston, we have a situation. Because they knew that Houston and all the people on Earth would try and figure out a way out of it. And they'd always come up with something. Even if it was a great big long ladder to get them out of space. Right, I'll bring you back in a bit and show you how we're getting on. And otherwise you'll get bored to death hearing my voice all the time. Right then, bring you back in a bit.